Okay, this is a do-over because I didn't record a thing. So I had said, since now I pissed everybody off, we're going to make tuna patties. So we've already added a 9-ounce can and a 4-ounce can of tuna fish, drained, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, small dice, a teaspoon of dry parsley, a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, some badia, some black pepper, and now I have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm going to mix that with 1 egg. Compost. And those are seasoned breadcrumbs. You could use panko or whatever you have. You can grind up some bread, make your own, grind up some croutons. Get a one of these things. I'm going to mix this up. And if it doesn't seem dry enough to make patties, just add some more breadcrumbs. Do you want 12 ounces of tuna? And I have like 13, which is probably actually 12. Make sure we've got all that mixed in. Really been trying to cook economically, make just what we need. Anything left over goes in the freezer. So that seems pretty good. Not use too many ingredients so I don't be my own resource hog. So we're going to fry these up. Put some oil in there. Wonder if you can, how do you make it be a spray? I just filled this, so I don't know yet. see if that's enough. We are just going to make patties, and you could add anything you wanted to these, bell pepper, celery. We're just having onion. Just make patties as thick as you want. I think he likes them thin and crispy. This is a recipe his mom did. So I'm not his mom, but as close as I can get. But they gotta be crispy. I know that. Got some sizzle. I washed my hands. These would make good tuna burgers. If you wanted an alternative to a hamburger, these would do nicely, I think. If you don't make them too thick, you'll get more. And this is a really cheap dinner. Turn that down. And if you wanted to, you could dip them again in some egg and breadcrumb, or just breadcrumb if you wanted. So there we go. I'm just going to get them brown and crispy. And I will be back when we are plating it up. Here's my dinner, you guys. I got 2 patties, a green onion, some cottage cheese, tomatoes. I put some black cherry balsamic vinegar and some of this Tuscan herb infused olive oil on the tomatoes, and some salt and pepper. You could serve this a million ways with rice-a-roni, pasta side, macaroni and cheese, vegetables, mashed potatoes, potatoes au gratin, I mean anything. Serve it with anything. You could make the tuna burgers. So we got 6 burgers out of it. There's 2 over there, 2 in the pan, and 2 on this plate. And then you could put ketchup or mayonnaise or tartar sauce or sweet chili sauce, whatever you want. They're not dry. And if you want them really crispy, I'm just trying to cut back on the oil. Just cover the bottom of the pan with oil and fry them, and you'll have a real crispy outer crunch. So they are yummy. Give them a try. You do this meal, everything right out of the pantry, like I said, with the potatoes, the rice, the macaronis, veggies from your garden, a friend's garden, whatever you have, canned veggies. So anyways, there is tonight's SHTF Prepper Pantry meal, tuna patties with whatever you got. So I hope y'all are doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.